Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are still in Fiji and we got up pretty early this morning, which is surprising because I don't do mornings, but we needed to because the water is still a lot more calmer in the morning and Peter's just going to do a shoot with RaRa.
So I managed to get the girls out of bed before 12 o'clock.
Oh.
Stop. And yeah, so I wanted to get just this bit of morning light. So the lights still come up it's coming up just a bit higher than I would like to because it's coming now onto the water. But I've still got enough light to do some really nice stuff. The tide's out, which gives us a bit more beach area. And I was just going to continue doing what I was doing, just finding the light and shooting. That's really pretty, that's really pretty. Cool. Yeah, it's... See, your skin looks fine. Just slip back a bit, see how your hips get in the sun? So just, the best thing is if you look behind you, you'll see your shadow and it'll tell you where you get the sun on you. So I'm liking that little bit of sun. It's getting into your hair now. I'm really liking that actually. Cool, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. Yeah, I might just shoot you a little bit darker. Yeah, if I shoot you 2.8, that's just going to give me a little bit more of the background so I can bring you up if I need to. But I've got more detail in the background. That's really cool. That's really cool. That's pretty. That's really pretty. Cool. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Cool. Cool. That's really nice. That's really nice. I'm just going to leave it completely up to you. So as you get bored doing anything, if you just change it, that's cool. I like that. Cool, cool. That's cool. I'm just hoping.
Am I too in the sun?
No, I'm liking it. No, just, yeah, I'm just saying, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. I love that. Because I've set it quite dark, means you can come in the sun, it's not going to overexpose you. And it's because it's just coming just onto your face. That's really pretty. Cool, cool. Bear with me 1 second. Yeah, nice. I love that. That's so cool. That's really pretty. Cool. Cool. Cool, beautiful. Nice, that's really cool. That's pretty, that's really pretty. Try and decide how bright, that's cool, I like that. That's really cool. That's cool, lads. Stunning, stunning there. There. Beautiful. That's really pretty, RaRa. Nice. What? Yeah, jellyfish. You like them?
I like to look at them.
Yeah, they're not a stingy one.
How do you know?
Because it didn't
touch you.
It's not touching me. No, they're not stingy ones.
Oh no.
That's really cool. So, are you coping with the light? Was it too bright on your eyes?
If it looks good, it's fine.
If it looks good, I'll cope. Well, I just want to... Is that worse? We'll do a little bit of this. It does. I'll do a shot and then I'll show you the picture and then you can decide yourself. Cool. That's really pretty. Cool.
I love it.
You love it.
Yeah.
You sure now? You don't want to think about this a little bit? There we go. Yeah, I'm cool now. Cool. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. That's cool. That's really cool. That's really pretty. That's really pretty, RaRa. Cool, cool. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Cool. Let's see what I get if I go the other way so you're not looking into the sun. I'm just gonna try, I'm gonna see what I get. Yeah, no, I'm not 100% loving. I'll go around, I am loving the sun on your, it's only so I'm getting a bit too much shadow, I think, on your face. That's cool. That's really cool. That's really cool. I love this. Cool. Nice, nice, nice. Cool. That's really pretty. I love that. Nice, nice. Cool. Cool. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Do another dunk. It's really good when you
just get up.
When you just get up, because you get this real shimmer on your skin. That's cool. That's really cool. That's really cool. That's really pretty. Stunning. Stunning. That's cool. That's pretty, RaRa. That's really pretty. I love full sun. It's so good on skin. We should have models get ND filters put on their eyes so they can look into the full sun. Oh, cool. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Cool. 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 I like that. I like that. Just do a couple more of the sort of over the shoulder ones.
The shoulder?
Yeah, so it looked really cool. I just want to make sure I've got the shot I want.
Yes.
There, nice, nice. Yeah, that's cool. That's really cool. Cool, cool. Just keep that. Yeah, that's stunning, stunning. Nice, RaRa. That's really pretty. It's really pretty. I reckon nailed that.
Yeah.
I reckon it's nailed, yeah. I'm really liking.
Yeah.
Yeah?
So we hope you guys enjoyed that, and if you did, I will send you to another Fiji video around my head now.